Welcome to Web Market Support, to the Knowledge Economy Success Blueprint, a series of workshops, events, happenings and more, all about the knowledge industry, or also known as self-education, or e-learning, or information industry. A wonderful industry that I've been part of since 2015 and it really changed the course of my career. It's a business model that brands all over the world embrace and adapt because you just sell information. And information comes in many ways and forms. It can be a workshop, it can be a webinar, it can be a mastermind, it can be a gathering, it can be a seminar, it can be a book, it can be an article, a video, a documentary, an interview, anything at all. And information products can be created very easily. There is no startup capital, inventory, you don't have to worry about big problems that other business models have. It's fast, it's effective, it's flexible, and it's an industry that is growing. We'll be discussing what is the knowledge industry, what exactly it is. I'll be showing you examples of brands that I helped as a marketing consultant, as a marketing partner. Brands that are involved in this industry. I'm also a creator in this industry. I create information products non-stop, all day, every day. And information is the most valuable currency right now in the world, in the business world. Everyone needs information. Everyone wonders how they can sell more, how they can attract more people to their business. But more importantly, that's why I'm so excited about this series of workshops, because we'll be discussing a big problem. There is a big problem in this industry because the industry has grown during the last 7 years or more, and it's projected to reach $1 trillion per day. These numbers are huge. But as the industry has grown, the competition has also increased. And so it's very difficult to stand out and succeed. There are many small business owners that abandon their dreams, and only a few can make it. And we'll be discussing how to solve this problem. There is a solution. I created a very sophisticated framework. It's part of my methodology, the 7 Ideals methodology, with which I help small businesses and startups penetrate any market under any conditions. And it's a framework to create information products in record time and create income streams, attach them to other business models. And today, although it's the introduction to the series of workshops, I want to highlight that the only way to stand out and face this extreme competition in the knowledge industry is first to have a vision for something higher, not just making money. If you have a vision for something beautiful, for something that provides immense value to other people, then you build the base for success. And then we need to think very seriously to adapt an innovative mindset. And innovation comes in many forms. It's not always creating a product that does not exist. It may be in customer service, or in the production line, or in any other aspect of our business. And we'll do that with information products, and I'll be sharing with you this unparalleled framework that I created. It's part of the 7 Ideals methodology. I'm not revealing the name of the framework right now. We'll be discussing that in later workshops. So that's it for now. That's the introduction. We'll explore every aspect of the knowledge industry, of the self-education industry, the e-learning, the information industry. Welcome to a beautiful world So in this series of workshops, we'll be discussing how exactly to build a brand name and innovate, thus resulting in us penetrating an industry that has a fierce competition. There is huge competition in every segment of the market, every niche, no matter its size, is competitive. And we'll discover how to innovate. And this is a process. And beyond the mindset, it all starts with understanding consumers, how exactly consumers behave. So this is the starting point for any business, consumer behavior and marketing strategy. Συμπεριφορά καταναλωτή και στρατηγική marketing. And understanding how consumers behave gives you the path to innovation. And of course, with marketing, we are going to position our brand differently than the competition, and will create a unique advantage just by using the fundamental principles of marketing. And of course, we'll discuss how we research the market, how we research competition and the industry as a whole, how we form partnerships with suppliers and other partners, depending on our business model. We'll touch upon every aspect of this industry, and I'll be showing you exactly how to really stand out and create something memorable, something that does not exist. What a beautiful moment to be here to discussing these things with you. So can't wait to see you in the next event. Thanks so much for your time.